videos.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so maybe I'll plan. Please remind me. Just ping me one message.
Mm.
Yeah. AI announcement. Agentic AI announcement by AWS. Can you see that?
Hmm?
Integrating with the AI. Can you
Mm.
see that right side?
Agentic.
Yeah. AI is announcing by AWS.
Mm. Yeah, yeah.
Integrating with everything is integrating by AI.
I think the stacks that we create, right?
Mm-hmm.
That may be automated.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah. I can see. So, yeah. Can you show me the files? Yeah. Can you delete the Docker file once? Or else you just copy the Docker file related content. Cat Docker file. Just keep somewhere in Notepad. Copy this and paste somewhere. Yes. That's it. Can you delete that after this?
Deleted.
Yeah. So did you remember that what is that? Remove regular file, Docker file. Okay. So fine. Yesterday command, did you remember? So what we were trying to build Jenkins file. Did you remember?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So we just need to do that. We just build a Docker build. -80 or -T. You are running
Okay,
containers.
okay.
Just build Docker build
Yeah.
with a different image name, something like today's data or something different name. Mm. No dot current
Yeah.
directory. Yeah, try to build. What is this? The mode? Oh wait, what happened? Something the something is it?
Didn't create it, I guess.
Yeah, yeah. Click on create.
But in current directory, do we have file? Okay, Docker file one we have, right?
Yeah. No, 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 no. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay.
Jenkins. We are building the Jenkins, right? Can
Hmm.
you open Jenkins? Cat Jenkins. We wrote somewhere in Jenkins name, right?
Hmm.
So this is the one, right?
Hmm.
So which is already in current directory. So that's it should take automatically,
Yeah.
right? Okay, try to build again. I mean, clear the screen. Hmm. Tag image 8 dot. Yeah, it is working, huh? Fail to resolve the Docker file open. No such file or directory. Yeah. Okay, it is taking direct to default. Can you see right side?
Hmm.
It is directly taking default. Okay, that's fine. Um, in this case, Docker build f1t email, that's fine. So Docker icon stay and icon. Can you try like this? Um, Docker build -t Docker
One second.
image
Docker build.
-t. Keep the image name.
Hmm.
Uh,
Hmm.
I think I did with this command actually. Without dot. Can you try without dot?
Without dot didn't work.
Okay. So no. Wait. No, not like that. Still command not completed.
Okay.
Okay.
Jenkins.
Hyphen F hyphen F
That's enough.
uh, uh, Jenkins. Give the name of that file. Can you try? Okay. Now what you will do is after the image you can keep dot hyphen F. Uh, Give different name. Jenkins, instead of Jenkins you can give other different name. Test Jenkins, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Try. Copy this error. So it should work, right? I already done that, right? On that day. Why it is not working for you? Go ChatGPT, ask why it is not able to. Hmm.
Light code.
Yeah. Okay. Wait. Build an image. Oh, 1 second. One second.
Yeah.
What is telling? What is the error? It is telling
It
which.
is telling the gen test is a Docker file and which is not present in the directory, the current
Okay.
directory that we are running. Yeah.
Okay. But previous one is already existed, right?
Yeah. Let me try that.
Hmm.
It will take only Docker file. Huh?
This command assumes that there is a file named exactly Docker. Oh,
Okay,
okay.
Docker file one we have, right?
Ah, no, no, no. 1 minute, 1 minute. Rakesh,
Mm.
Rakesh. 1 minute. So do one thing. Let's do one exercise now. So we are doing trial and error. Okay.
Mm.
So what we will do is first create a Docker file. Again, make mkdir. Just VI. Sorry, I'm sorry. VI.
1 second. Let me.
No, 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 no. I just want you to keep the same file which we are using in Jenkins. The same file you keep in Docker file.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay. I just got an idea that will execute. I feel. Save this. Paste. What?
Created another file.
1 second. 1 second. Cat Docker file one now. That is also different file name. Can you press ls? Type ls. What are the files are there? Docker file one no. Docker file one no. Jenkins 1 minute. Rakesh, can you try with this command? Docker build -f. Give the file name. I mean Jenkins or what? I don't know.
Jenkins.
-t -t. Give the image name. Any image, different image name. Image 9.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Dot. Now dot. If it is execute, okay. Then otherwise we'll see later. My goodness. No, just actually I forgot this here and there. I changed actually. That -f is there. I have used after that image. After that file name I have used.
Mm-hmm.
Earlier Docker build -t image dot. If you use, it will take a default file. Clear.
Okay.
Go to Notepad once. So I want to clear this very much clear. Okay, clear. Right here. If it is the Docker file, no, not take some space.
1 second.
So you already written somewhere Notepad, right? Hmm. Okay. Just maintain some notebook, one copy like this. So if it is default Docker file. No, 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 no. Docker D should be capital, no space in between Docker and file. Oh yeah, this is good. If it is Docker file is default, that's fine. Okay. So the command will execute uh, Docker build hyphen. You know that's command, right? Docker build
Mm. 1 second.
Docker build -t and new image name. You can keep new image. Yeah, new image. Okay, and space dot.
Current location.
Yeah, space dot in the sense current directory only, right?
Mm.
Dot in the sense current directory only.
Yeah.
Take some space and arrow if you want to keep dot means current directory. You can write like that.
No, no, no. I can't remember.
So then, um, if you have multiple Docker files, if we have if we have multiple Docker files with a different name called Jenkins, with a different name file name like Jenkins or any other, the command is just keep this command Docker build -f. So I also used this earlier, this command, right? But I have not. not aligned. I did not mention aligned properly. Correct. Docker build -f and what is the file name? Jenkins, right?
Hmm.
-t means tag. After that, image, new image name. After that, current directory. Okay. So we also tried this. Did you remember this, Rakesh?
No,
No,
I
actually,
remember we tried this.
no. We also tried this with the FO. Can you go to navigate it? Go to console. Okay. Press the top, top, top arrow. No. Upper arrow. Yeah, I'm sorry. Upper arrow. Just mention upper arrow,
Okay.
but little change. I'll show you. Next upper. Next. 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 Wait. Yes.
Hmm.
Right.
But we used
Thing
it
is,
back.
actually, I forgot. Actually, I did not properly aligned. Actually, that command.
Hmm.
Docker build -t image. After that, I just given F and Jenkins, something like that.
Hmm.
Okay, that is a proper command. Actually, I just remembered now. Okay, so can you go to the notepad? Uh, fine. You can keep adding for this to execute Docker file or build Docker file. Your wish. Okay. Now what you will do is, yeah, you can save this and go to console.
1 second. Yeah.
All right. Um, Now here, um, I want to just take some examples from the ChatGPT or Google for Docker file.
Okay.
So we should do more examples. If we do more examples, it will remember in mind. Otherwise, lot of exercises definitely will help. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to do more practice on top of this. That's why I'm just letting you know that. Okay, go to Google or ChatGPT. Take that and ask. Take a different examples for Docker file.
Okay.
I don't have currently. Uh, Docker file. Don't take previous, Rakesh.
Hmm.
Don't make it clumsy. This fresh you need to take. First to sign up. First to sign up. Otherwise, it will exit.
Okay.
Definitely, it will exit. You will lose all the data. Just log in. Log in with your current email ID. Just go with continue with Google. No need to type anything. Continue with Google.
Hmm.
Okay, you are using phone number. Okay. That's why I'm telling. No need to do all these things. Go with the Google. It will not ask anything.
Okay.
Take now. Try to give a prompt. Provide me Docker. Provide me different Docker files. Different Docker files. Different Docker files for practice. Different 10 10. Provide me 10 different. We are going to do 10. Okay, that's fine now.
Mm.
Okay, go. Go ahead. Okay, so scroll down bit by bit. Scroll down. Okay, 1 second.
Simple Nginx
1 second.
static
It's
website.
okay. Here is from actually taking Alpine.
Mm.
Copy, which means this file should be there in your local machine. Okay. What we will do is copy this. I will guide you how to do this.
Mm.
Copy, right. Go to console.
Mm.
Create a Docker file. Keep Nginx Docker file name. Nginx are what? What is that? Nginx related only, right?
Apply, yeah,
Alpine.
Alpine, Alpina.
Show me that. Show me once. Nginx. Nginx only. No problem. Nginx. NGI. NGNX. Right. File. Keep like that. Uh, Paste here. Okay. Save. So here, tell me what is expose.
Expose, I think it's a port number,
Yeah, it is. It will. This will work on port number
80
80.
port,
Okay. The
HTTP.
listening port is 80.
Okay.
Okay. But can you go back to that file cat nginx? Okay. So here this file is not exist in your local machine. Is it correct?
Yeah,
That copy dot html user share nginx html. This that
path.
it is not there. But uh,
Hmm.
first what you will do is uh,
We can create here.
yeah, wait 1 second. So copy, what is the meaning of copy in general definition in our Docker?
If there is any files, it will copy from.
Yes, exactly. So that
Hmm.
file not existed in our case, correct?
Yeah,
Dot HTML file is not available in our local machine. Can you check with the cd dot slash HTML? Oh, sorry, no, this is file. I'm sorry, vi. Open. It is not there. Try to
hmm.
do one thing. Take any sample website. Take any sample website for HTML related. Any website. Sample HTML HTML website. You should copy that file. The small sample code enough. Hmm. Take the first one. No problem. No, you are accessing it. Go to the location. Download. Sample HTML. That is the one. Take right click. Go to VS Code. You don't have VS Code. Okay. So
Notepad will not work, right?
no, no. You can't read this. Okay. Open with whatever this. No, 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 you don't have access. I think so. You're not logged in. Do one thing.
One second, I will ask ChatGPT.
Yeah, take duplicate of ChatGPT. So when you download this files, HTML related files, you can take index.html. So then it is easy. Provide some, yeah, right. But not, yeah, yeah. Go ahead, go ahead. Copy this, whatever it is given. Yeah, it doesn't matter what actually, but thing is, at
Got it,
least
got
it
it,
should
got
be
it.
meaningful, right? That's why. Paste here. At least it should be meaningful, right? That's why. Change the static website instead of that. Welcome to Rakesh Club or Rakesh World. Anything. Title, body and title both. Title my static website is there, right? Yeah, that is the one. You can't select anything. You can't do. You have to go there. Welcome to AWS Devops or welcome to Rakesh World, something like that. AWS World or DevOps World. Keep like that.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, right. Come down. The other one is body. Something is there, right? You can mention our some five tools names or AWS services. Any AWS services. Scroll down fast. Yeah. Here you mention GitHub or Docker or else EC2 instances, VPC, AWS EC2, VPC.
Once again.
Mm, mm, Linux.
Okay.
Yeah. Copy this. Copy this. Paste in Notepad. Our Notepad. That is for reference. We should if we do something, at least it should look like at least real time kind of. Yeah. Take some more space. Yeah. So go back to console. Yeah. Save it. Okay. So now it is there in your local machine, correct?
Mm.
PWD. PWD. This is your place, correct?
Mm.
That's fine. So yeah, yeah. What is the file name? Nginx, right?
Mm.
That's why you might have mentioned Nginx file, something like that. It's okay. That doesn't matter. Okay. Next, we have to build it, right?
Mm.
Could you please build with the command
But
which I
the
provided?
path we used here is different, right?
Which one?
Here we just give this path, but
Uh-huh.
we need to provide the Nginx path, right? In file.
User share. I think it will create it or what?
No, what I'm saying is, uh, here copy user share Nginx HTML, right?
Okay.
So, but we created in root HTML. So
Mm-hmm.
here the location is taken, right?
No, no, no. This container that is related to destination path. This is source path.
Okay,
So destination path we have to check in there, right? In container.
okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it.
So you just try to build it. If we face any kind of issue, let us see that. Docker build. What is the command? You already typed earlier.
Different name, right?
Yeah, yeah. Docker build.
Hyphen F.
Hmm.
Nginx hyphen T.
Okay. Type
Image name was like
Nginx hyphen
apply.
One second.
Apply.
Docker build -f to nginx. Okay. -t. What you are keeping? Oh no,
Alpine image.
you can keep website.
Okay.
Website. Nginx website. You can keep nginx. nginx hyphen website.
Hmm.
Web image. Web image. Web hyphen image. This is very meaningful name. IMG enough,
Hmm.
right? Yeah, and space dot. That's good. Carry on. Go ahead. It is working fine. I think so.
Hmm.
This is working fine. Just
Yeah,
now,
it's done.
check the images. Right. Go to
Yeah.
the image. That is the image, right?
Hmm.
Using this image, could create a container. Nginx container. Nginx web container. Web hyphen cont. One. Hmm. Bin bash or can you try with only bash?
No, we have to give image name,
Yeah,
right?
image after that. After that image. Can you try with only bash?
Okay.
Enter. Okay. Can you try with bin bash? Yeah. So Docker run hyphen it hyphen name. You have given this name.
It's already used by container.
Okay. Rename. Can you check the containers? Can you check the
Yeah.
containers? Daemon conflict. It is saying. Did you use different? I think we have. We don't have that name right already.
Hmm.
Container ls hyphen a. What is that? It is there already.
Yeah, I think it's created.
Just now created, but I don't know what error is it. Why it error throwing and it is also got created. Line number 47 not found. That's okay. Maybe that is simple error. That's it. Maybe it is not issue. I think so. Okay, go inside the container. So let's see. Docker start. Nginx hyphen web hyphen container one. Right.
You cannot attach to a stopped container.
Okay.
Huh? It started, right?
Okay. Can you try again?
It's not started.
Mm-hmm. You are already starting, right?
Hmm.
Then why it is? Mm. Every day something showing new. Come down, come down. It is still showing that only. What is the fix? Docker daemon off on.
Nginx inside a container must run in the foreground. If your
Hmm.
Docker file or run command is using Nginx without minus.
Hmm.
Okay, we have to use this command.
Hmm. 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 Okay. Yeah.
Or when running docker d nginx.
No, no. Use the CMD command. We'll discuss about this in network class.
Okay.
So now we are discussing. You should just focus on only Docker file. So you can understand that CMD file also, right?
Hmm.
Paste here. Last. You can paste. CMD. You try to understand this. CMD nginx -g daemon of. This is command. Okay. This command we are executing. Save it and build it again. You already execute the command. Same command.
Not with
No, 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 no,
nginx.
no. If you want to build the same image, I mean same thing, um, Docker build -f nginx.
I will change the file image name.
Okay, okay, fine.
It's good too.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Hmm. It's done.
Right. Okay.
Hmm.
So can you check the images and try to create a container?
It got created.
Hmm.
No.
Create one container.
Docker run. I think, hmm. Bin bash not found.
Hmm.
Bin bash not found.
One second. Docker and entry command 147 up. What is line number 47? Bin bash. Oh, this is image you are creating. Why you are using bin bash?
No, we are creating a
Yeah,
container.
okay, you are creating container. One second, one second. Docker and icon name, nginx also container. Container name is there. Nginx -fu, nginx -fu, hyphen
One second.
bash. What happened?
No, nothing, nothing.
Okay. Docker one nginx web container 2. That is a name. Okay. So looks fine. My goodness. Uh, okay. Can you repeat the command? Just repeat the
Sorry.
command. Just repeat the command. Instead of bin bash, you just use sh only. Just repeat.
Okay.
Yeah.
One second.
Just remove bin bash. Is it
Hmm?
hanging?
Yeah, yeah.
Instead of bash, you just keep only sh.
Hmm.
Enter. Oh God. Conflict.
It's already created.
It is showing like that. Can you copy this entire thing?
Let me check the containers.
Yeah, it will show. Oh yeah, it is created. That's fine. Can you try to run the container? I mean, um, eh, start the container.
See.
Okay. Hmm. So can you try with this kind of command docker exec -it and container name. Is it hanging?
No.
What happened?
It requires two arguments.
Command in running container. Okay. Mm. Can you open your notepad once? Scroll down.
Hmm.
Scroll up more, more, more. Okay, okay, okay. Scroll, open console once. Console, console. So repeat the same command. Hmm. Docker exec hyphen container ID or name and bin bash. You missed bin bash.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay. So from here to okay, okay, okay. One second, one second. If he is not running, it is showing. Copy this and copy till here. All, all. Yeah, copy and go ChatGPT. Why it is showing like this? Exciting immediately, just like earlier one. While this will container start run container. After that, Nginx exist immediately. Okay, it's not told to run in the foreground. Okay, Docker at the exit. Okay, scroll down. Okay, Docker remove Nginx container 2. Broken container that is. Okay. Okay, got it. We are going very extensive. Yeah, run this command. I'll let you know later. Not this, not this, not this.
First, we need to remove, right?
Yeah, do it.
Hmm. Okay. The image name is different.
So what is it? What happened? Again conflict. The container
Yeah.
name Nginx already existed. Okay, okay. One second. Can you press Docker PS hyphen Docker PS? Yeah, it is running already.
Hmm.
Okay. So yeah, one second. One second. Copy that. Copy EC to IP address.
Hmm.
Go to browser. Paste. No, no, no. In browser, I'm saying I'm not ChatGPT. So this is not IP. You mentioned hyphens. Dot. IP must have dots.
This is IP only, right?
No, that is just given with the hyphens. Hyphen never be IP.
Hmm, that's what I. Hmm.
Yeah. Mm, wait. Colon 80. Copy this entire thing. Go to 80. Okay. So do one thing. Go to EC2 instance. Security groups. Here only security is there, right? No, no, no. One. Yeah. Click on security ID. Yeah, 80
One
is open
second.
already. Okay. Edit inbound rules. Click on that ID. Yeah.
One second. One second.
Okay. Yeah, edit inbound rules. Yeah. One second. For 808 for 80 HTTP, just delete that. I'll tell you. One second. I'll tell you. Again, add rule. Add rule. Again, HTTP. Or else you can take all traffic. Rakesh. One second. Take all traffic. Yeah, that's the one. And custom, the source is there, right? Custom, you can make it as anywhere. And take other rule. Take other rule. Okay. Next, HTTP. HTTP. Uh, take anywhere. Make all anywhere. That's it. Save. Okay. Try to access that in Google. Not you don't have Google.
I have, I guess.
Yeah, paste there. Paste here. For me, it's user friendly. That's why. Took too long respond.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Go to Docker. I mean console. Yeah. Can you check Docker PS again? One second. Okay, so that's fine. So far, just enough this much. So we will do that everything in network. Okay.
Mm.
So we have created from by using the Docker file, we have created Nginx server, entire Nginx server. Now you can check the Nginx.
What Nginx I have to run?
No, one second, one second. Container is Nginx web container tool, right? This is the one, right?
Mm.
Okay. Go inside the container.
Okay.
It's okay. You copied everything and pasted there.
Mm.
Docker attach. Docker
One
control
second.
control L. Docker PS. So what is the meaning? What is Docker PS?
The running containers.
Yeah. Copy. Docker attach. Wait. It is too slow now. Okay, let's try other one. Shall we try other one?
Yeah.
Example two.
Control C.
Yeah, you can control C. Yeah. What is this?
Existing.
Yeah, existing. Fine, no problem. Take second
This is
example.
waiting. One second.
Okay. So uh, try to make me understand what is it.
It's a React.js. Uh,
So okay. So try to make me understand the instructions from the top to bottom. What is
so
it?
from Node, like Node 18 Alpine is a like Ubuntu and everything. It is a base image.
Yeah,
Mm, so it is in container we are using this as a base image
exactly.
and work directory. So all this work will be happened in this location,
Hmm.
and there is a package dot json
Hmm.
.json needs to be copied to hyphen.
Copied from,
Yeah, copied
but we
from.
don't have that package. We don't have anything that.
Hmm.
That's okay, no problem. If it is not there, that will avoid. So run, what
Okay.
is that? npm install. What is
Yeah,
npm install?
npm is like numpy, right? Npm means.
Hmm. So npm actually related to install the node related any node related softwares.
Okay.
React.js node and React.js related things. If you want to install those, npm is mandatory for configure or install.
Okay.
Okay, copy in directories. Okay, that's fine. We just leave it. Expose in 3000. Why? Because this on top of this, there are some ports. That ports are there is a fixed port for example Mongo 5000 is actually fixed port. Clear? So like
Hmm.
that for Node also we have 3000. Okay. So
Okay.
let's try to run this. We'll face some kind of errors. That's fine. Just run it.
Okay. Should I build image?
Yeah.
But we don't have package file.
That's okay. Try to build. F means
Hmm.
what is F there?
F means I forgot.
It's file.
Yeah, file. Tag to new image.
Node image something.
Image.
Enter. Dot. It is building. Let's see. Yeah. You see this? npm install we have failed to resolve
Error.
failed to solve. Yeah, npm install did not complete successfully. Exit code 254. Reason that
Hmm.
is configuration. We don't have proper package files here,
Yeah.
so that is the reason. Okay, and also it will throw error at copy also.
Okay.
We don't have anything in your local machine. Okay,
Hmm.
you don't have any packages in your local machine. That is the reason it could not able to copy from your local machine to it could not
Okay. In
able to
that.
build. That is the reason.
Uh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So we can't get it. Okay, we don't want to waste our time on top of this. Just we are trying to able to create a different multiple Docker files. It could execute it, right? That's it.
Yeah.
Till here we can stop. We should not divert the topic. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
so that's it. Next to take other example. Show me. I think it is enough. Show me examples. Next one is Flash. Same kind of. So there is
Hmm.
expose. These are all changed and same kind of no not required. That's fine. This is a way. That's it. So if you have
Okay.
multiple Docker files, we can do it like this. Okay.
Hmm.
So now my question is, I have a question for you. So
Hmm.
for example, that's fine. Every time if I want to modify my Docker file, should I create an image always?
Yeah.
If I create like this, how many containers, how many images I have to keep in my machine?
No, but if we change anything in the file, then we can. It, it will possible to direct to the already created image. The changes will it direct to the already created image?
Yeah, actually
How?
already image. No. What I'm telling, already image got created.
Hmm.
You have done some changes in the
Hmm.
Docker file. You just need
Okay.
to build that image only. So that image, the changes should be getting that image only. Is it possible? Can you take a prompt? Write a prompt. I have built an image an image
using a Docker file,
using a Docker file.
and after that, I
I
made
had
changes.
I had some modifications. Okay, after I did modifications, okay, made some modifications and build a modification after that. What you are writing?
To the Docker file.
Hmm.
Does this affect image?
No, 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 no.
Hmm.
Some modification to the Docker file. I
Hmm.
built. I have built an image using Docker file, and after that, I made some modification to the Docker file. So,
Hmm.
should I? Um, okay. So, my one second.
Hmm.
What I should? What are the steps? What are the steps to follow?
1 second. What are the steps to follow?
Follow.
Hmm.
Build same image. Build same current image. Instead of new image. Instead of creating new image.
Hmm. Enter.
Question mark. After that, is it possible or not? Actually, that only it will give. That's okay.
Okay.
Enter. Yeah. Yeah. Scroll down. I got it. Scroll down.
1 second.
Yes. See, try to understand here. Yeah.
Hmm.
Docker build -t and your image name. Clear.
Yeah.
So next time if you build, you need to use tag two, or you have to keep any tag or version one, version two, like that.
Okay.
Okay. So now
Hmm.
copy this image. I mean, sorry, comment. Copy this and paste in your notepad. Question. Copy that question also.
Okay.
You copied everything.
Hmm.
Go one by one. So otherwise it will take entire unless unnecessary data. Unnecessary information. Copy this properly. Go step by step. Copy this question. Yeah. So this is your question, doubt. Next,
Hmm.
then paste here. Okay. Next, just copy that command. Oh yeah. Okay. Paste here. Do some modifications according to your image. Okay.
1 second. Just give me 2 seconds. I need to book a Uber.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Done.
So yeah. Can you copy? Can you copy your image name here instead of this Docker build -t
Hmm.
to keep your image name. So whichever you want, whichever the image you want to modify, that image. Maybe if it is Nginx or something like that.
Nginx. Nginx.
Nginx image you have, right?
Yeah.
something related that.
Image 2.
Okay, so tag give v1. V1 means version 1.
Uh, your tag.
Huh?
What is this? Your tag.
Remove that your tag. No. Colon. You should keep the colon.
Okay, one second. Hmm.
Colon v1. V1 means version 1.
Okay.
Okay, copy this command. Okay, go to console. Yeah. So check that image name is available, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, paste. Okay, enter. What is this?
Fail
Fail.
to solve. Fail to real Docker file.
No such file or directory. Yeah.
Hmm.
So which means
No,
that
I think we need to edit right first this one. After that, we need to. Okay, this is already connected to the one of the container.
that's why open images. No images, Rakesh. I'm sorry. ls.
Hmm.
Can you type ls? You
Hmm.
should mention Docker file name there actually. What is this? Where are you?
In
Sudo.
root.
No. Go to sudo. You are completely out of box. Sudo hyphen
Sudo hyphen.
enter. Clear the screen. Okay. ls.
One second.
ls.
Array.
Where is your
Oh,
Docker files? What is this?
these are all in server.
No. I just avoid this. Try to focus on this. Nginx is there, right?
Hmm.
Just
It's in
identify.
Docker images.
No.
In Docker. Hmm.
Rakesh, I'm saying Docker files I'm talking about. Where are the Docker files? Scroll down. So I think this is Nginx is Docker file, right? Copy that name. Yeah, this is the one, right?
Hmm.
Okay, now Docker build hyphen T.
Hyphen T.
Give the name of that image. Sorry, file colon v1. I think not. It is not possible. Dot space dot
Hmm. Okay.
enter. Oh my goodness. Go to ChatGPT once again. Copy this command first.
This error, right? You are asking.
No such file or directory. That's why. Yeah. No, I'm asking to copy this command or command.
Overcome.
So from the command until the error.
Hmm. Hmm.
Go to ChatGPT. So see here, ChatGPT is telling that Docker build hyphen T. This is your image name
Hmm.
and this tag. Okay. For example, build hyphen T. This is your image maybe. Okay. Can you copy and paste here? I think we have taken instead of image we have taken a file. But earlier you have taken image, but still you got same error. Enter.
Hmm.
No such file or directory. Come to scroll down. Docker could not find Docker file in the current directory. Okay, got it. Okay. So in this case, what you have to do is go to Notepad,
Hmm.
scroll down. above that HTML file, this is the command, right?
Mm.
Scroll down, Rakesh, once. Yeah, yeah. So what is it? Not this. 1 second. Yeah, in this, I think you did not mention. Only you mentioned like this, right? So you have to run this command: docker build -f, the file name with the image with the um
Dot.
tag. Yeah, I think once again specify docker file path. Okay, okay. Hmm. Okay, you paste here that command here in ChatGPT only. Don't enter. Sorry for troubling you. No,
Not this one, right?
copied. Copy this properly. Paste here. Control V. Now, what is the file name? Nginx, right?
Mm.
Yeah. Instead of file name, just make it as Nginx. Not here. No, I'm not asking prompt, Rakesh. I'm just
Okay, okay.
trying to modify the command. So you just make it Nginx -t. What is our image name? This will create new image name, right?
Mm.
Mm, okay. The second one is there, right? In ChatGPT, option 2.
Mm.
Docker build -t Nginx v1. This is still here is fine. F file the path to Docker file. Okay, that's fine. But the thing is, we have created multiple Docker files. He is showing default Docker file. Okay. So what you will do is you can keep my Docker file name is Nginx. You can write like this. Remove this. My Docker file name is sorry. Docker file name is what is that? Nginx only, right?
Mm.
Okay.
Linux.
Docker file name. We are going to build it. Which one? You are building the
Mm.
same Docker file, right?
Mm.
And
And that.
the image name keep and the image name is something keep Nginx web something like that. That is
We
our
have to give the existing image, right?
yeah.
Mm.
Column v1. Is that image name correct?
Mm. Yeah.
Okay. So enter now. Enter. Let's see what the command will be. Right. Okay. Docker build -t. Just run this command. Paste here. Enter. Exactly. You understood what I'm trying to do?
Mm.
So every time you create the images, your images will continuously keep grow, and every time on top of if you create the image on top of that, again you need to create the container that will increases. Containers will increase, images will increase. You understood?
Yeah.
This is the reason why I asked this question. Okay, copy
Okay.
that same content and paste in your chat GPT. Say sorry, notepad. Okay, copy
Mm.
that command. Copy including dot. Okay, fine. Now, what you have to do is scroll down completely. So remove that. Remove this. That will create again confusion. Paste here. You can make. Yeah, you understood, right? This one.
Yeah.
If you want to keep properly, you can keep arrow marker, Rakesh. So if you mention like that again, you will confuse later. Keep proper. Yeah, like that. Make three or two. rebuild the same image. This is the purpose, to rebuild the same image with the different versions or tags.
Hmm.
You understood?
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. That is the reason why. Okay, that's good.
Hmm.
Okay, next. So Docker build -t is a tag. This is existed image with the different version now. Okay, can you copy the same command? Now you make it v2 in the console. Again, you need to copy from there. Otherwise, it will come again. Okay. Okay. So then you can make it v2. So like that, if you do multiple changes or multiple versions you get, so those latest versions you can able to commit into your Docker Hub in future.
Okay.
This is how releases will happen. Okay. Enter. Again, it will rebuild. Okay. Now Docker images. Okay. These are all versions with the
Okay.
same image ID. Can you see that?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, the image ID is same, but versions are different, which means on top of this image ID, whatever the containers will be there, the files will be the same. Yesterday you
Hmm.
faced same kind of issue, Rakesh. For that only I
Okay.
just bought this issue. Yesterday you created image called, what is that? What is that image? Mongo, I think so.
Yeah. Mango.
Mongo with the Docker file. Both are working
Hmm.
on same image ID, correct?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That is conflict happened. Okay, to
Okay.
resolve this, I bought, I just bring you into this topic.
Got it.
Clear? So
Yeah, yeah.
versions, different versions you can create with the same image ID. On top of this image, whatever the containers are there, the containers will be the same. You can release
Hmm.
multiple images. You can keep enter software you want to, if you want to add new softwares, if you want to add new files, every change you create different image. On top of again image, again you are creating content in this. That's a big hectic task. Okay, that
Hmm.
is not good practice. Okay, this
Hmm.
is how we can release the versions on top of the same image ID. The whatever the container is there, that container you can see the new changes. Clear?
Okay.
So that is how you can keep that in mind. Okay,
Hmm.
so next one. You got answer for the previous question, yesterday
Yeah,
question,
yeah.
right? Next, next go to ChatGPT. What is the other example? So I think remaining all similar. I think so.
Hmm.
One second.
Like, this.
Okay.
Like most of the like using, like installing the, no, all the image, I mean all the examples are same.
Yeah, yeah.
Same
So that's enough.
process.
That's enough. We did good things on Docker using Docker file,
Hmm.
but you should do practice in different ways. Okay,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So send me that file too. Okay.
Okay.
I'll also keep with me. I don't have records, any files like this.
Okay. Share the videos today. I will complete the.
Yeah, yeah. I will share the videos. I'll keep uploading today.
Hmm.
So that file you can share with me later, not now. So I would like to ask you. So tomorrow we are going to do with the Docker volumes. Okay,
Okay.
right? So I would like to ask you sample,
Yeah,
simple
yeah.
questions. What is Docker file? Sorry, what is Docker volume?
So Docker volume is like it uses the persistence data.
Okay. So I don't have a Docker volume. So what will happen? Does my Docker will not work?
No, it will work, but you will not have any backup if there is any container I mean, um, container fails or container deletes or malfunctions. Then you will not have all the data of the container in as a backup. So if you have volumes, then you can find all the data in it as a backup.
Yes. What is the meaning of persistence?
So persistence is like even though if there is anything happens, the data will not be changed or removed. It exists like a what it permanently exists.
Yeah, you can using persistence. Means persistence means if you create a volume, if anything
Mm.
happens to relevant containers, or it got
Mhm.
crashed, or it got failed, or it got smashed, everything, anything
Mm.
happened, still your data will be existed.
Mhm.
That is
Okay.
called as persistent volume.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So what is sharing data?
Sharing data.
So in
I didn't
previous
get it.
class, we have shared different ways. So
Okay, like using volumes, we can detach and attach the volumes to the containers in order to share the data.
we have shared the data from the host to container.
Yeah.
Okay. Facilitating the data exchange between the services. Volumes can be shared among the multiple containers. That's what we have seen. Container to container volume exchange and host to container volume exchange. We have seen that, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Um. Yes. And what is decoupling from the containers?
Uh, from the decoupling ones, it's like we are removing the volume from the container.
Yeah, good. What is next? What we have covered? Hmm. Okay. All right. Hmm. I'm not remembering questions. I think almost that's it. I think
Yeah.
yeah, theoretically strong. That's fine. Next time, next class, you are going to create a container. Okay. You are
Okay.
going to create a Docker file. By using
Mm.
Docker file, you are going to create image. In that
Mm.
image, yeah, in the Docker file, you are going to use as you are going to create by using instruction as a volume as an instruction. You are going to keep a data, or you are going to create a
Okay.
data in the sense any file, something like that. Okay. By
Yeah.
using that, you are going to create image. On top of that image, you are going to create a container. In that container, let us check whether this got volume got created or not. And
Mm.
you need to share the volume between container to container. by
Okay.
using that by using that container, will you be able to create um, other container using different image. So let us see whether this volumes can be shared between containers to containers. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll see that. Okay, different exercises we are going to do that in practical. So then you will get proper and clear idea. Okay.
Okay.
And single line command, using single line command also, we are going to create volumes.
Okay.
Using Docker file and using single line command, we are going to create a volumes.
Mm. Yeah.
In different ways, host to container and container to container.
Yeah.
Right. Right, Rakesh. Thanks for joining. So yes, we'll connect tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
See you next. Yeah. Bye bye.